It was a normal Friday evening in Port-au-Prince until the earth snapped. No warning, just a deep rumble from below, like something ancient waking up angry. In seconds, the streets turned to panic. Buildings collapsed like paper, the ground buckled like jello, cracking open the city's spine. Haiti, a nation that had already endured so much, hurricanes, poverty, deforestation, was now breaking under a new kind of trauma. No sirens, no help, just rubble, silence, and the weight of another unimaginable tragedy.
Oh my goodness, what was that? That was a huge. I didn't think something this strong could hit this far south. Everything's still moving. Where are the survivors? I can hear screaming. Need to start clearing rubble. Someone might be under here.
I'm here in Port-au-Prince with a family who survived the earthquake. 2 months have passed, but the wounds are still fresh. The city is scarred, yet the people remain strong. The kids are smiling, laughing, grateful just to be alive. Their home is gone, their routine disrupted, but their spirit is unshaken. I still can't believe how it all came together. I left DC with no room booked, no idea where I'd stay, just trusting it would work out. Then during the layover at JFK Airport, I met Sister Eunice. We only had 15 minutes before boarding, but she made one call to you. I'm so grateful she did. Without that, I don't know where I'd be sleeping. I really didn't have much of my plan before coming here.
I'm glad she reached out. We made sure someone was there to pick you up. Port-au-Prince isn't safe right now. That's why we have 24/7 security to protect our guests. When the quake hit, we lost 3 guests and 2 staff. Many were injured. Wall's guest house used to be a peaceful stop for travelers. Now we are doing our best to hold things together. We are grateful Betsy Wall is here with us. We hope to rebuild soon. The building is gone, but the church is still standing because the church is the people. We've lost family, friends, and our sanctuary, but not our faith. We are cleaning rubble with shovels and bare hands because we believe in rising stronger. What we need now is help, tents, issues, clean water, and the means to rebuild. Not just to restore what was lost, but to grow into something even greater.
Qui t'épelle